A very good morning, class. So as you all know, we have already started with lesson number 8 of our secretarial practice. And the name of the lesson is Correspondence with Depositors. We have already finished 2 specimen letters. That is, under which circumstances a secretary has to enter into correspondence with the depositors. So the first specimen letter was thanking the depositors for showing faith and trust and depositing the amount with the company. Yesterday, we saw the letter related to informing the depositors about payment of interest by issuing them interest warrant. Now today we'll be seeing the letter based on informing about the payment of interest to the depositors by electronic payment of interest. When the company pays the interest in the form of electronic payment, then what kind of letter is being written to the depositors? So, as we do always, some of the questions related to your revision based. Okay. So, what is the return that depositors get on investment of the deposits called? They are called as regular interest at a fixed rate. They get regular income type. Then what type of capital is the deposits? It is borrowed or debt capital. What are the different modes a company uses to send the interest to the depositors? One is through interest warrant and the second is electronic mode. That is by ECS or NEFT. So starting with the B part of payment of interest, this we saw yesterday. Deposit is a borrowed capital. Depositors get interest as return on their investment of money in deposits. Then the company secretary writes a letter in which all the details regarding payment of interest, such as what is the amount of the deposit, what is the rate of interest, what is the gross amount, whether TDS is being deducted or not, what is the net amount, interest warrant number, etc. Everything is mentioned. So we have already seen this particular topic when we were completing the A part, payment of interest through interest warrant. Now today we are going forward with the B part, payment of interest through electronic mode. So this is how the letter looks, as you can see. Payment of interest, that is through electronic mode, ECS and NEFT. So as you can see the heading, Novel Sewing Machines Limited, the address is given and the CIN number of the company is being given over here. On the left hand side you have the phone number, the fax, and on the right side you have the website and the email address. After that you write down the date on the right hand side. So here you can see the date mentioned is 5th of April 2019. After that the reference number N/DEP/serial number 10/ the year 19 to 20. Now you have the name Miss Kshitijia Bihani. The address is given over here. After that, the next topic comes as the subject. Payment of interest on fixed deposit electronically, either through ECS or NEFT. Dear Madam, I am instructed by the Board of Directors to convey to you that the board has passed a resolution in the board meeting which was held on 12th March 2019 to pay interest at the rate 10% on the deposits for the year ending 31st March 2019. So this is the introductory paragraph wherein the secretary is telling that he or she has been instructed by the Board of Directors that in the board meeting, they have passed a resolution of paying 10% interest on deposits for the year ending 31st March 2019. The company has complied with all the provisions relating to payment of interest on deposits. Details of interest payable to you are as follows. So mostly yesterday what letter we covered, almost all the details are the similar, except you can see the subject, that is the interest is being paid on FD electronically. The fixed deposit receipt number is given over here. The deposit amount is 25,000. Rate of interest 10%. So the gross amount of interest is 2,500. Gross amount means before any deductions like tax, vagera. TDS is not applicable, so it is nil over here. So net amount, that is after deductions, is also 2,500. So basically gross means before you deduct any of your expenses or taxes vagera. Net is after the deductions and taxes you have minused, subtracted. Interest will be payable by electronic transfer, that is by ECS or NEFT. That is by crediting the said interest to your bank account as per the details provided by you to the company. So the ending paragraph, the concluding paragraph is different. Yesterday you saw that the companies had written, the secretary had written that we are sending you the interest warrant. So please detach it. Here they are telling that they will be directly crediting 2,500 rupees in the bank account, which is being shared by the depositor with the company. Thanking you, yours faithfully, for Novel Sewing Machine Limited, signed by Ms. Sarita Singh, who's the company secretary. So are you all clear with the letter class? Letter is very simple, very easy to understand. So I hope you all are clear with this particular part. So we stop here for today class, and again the same thing I'll say. If you like the video, please share it with your other friends, and please do subscribe to my channel and write and practice the letters 2 to 3 times. So we'll meet for the next session tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, keep healthy, and if any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. So we stop here for today, and thank you so much for listening to me.